Hello. Before I introduce our project, let me introduce my group members first. There are 3 members in my team: Ziqingyan, Xiaoqizhuang, and Zhipei Tao. And this is our homepage. And in this page, you can see our project named Advanced NBA Data Retrieval System. In this system, you can find all the information about the players and the teams in NBA. There are diverse web pages in our system. There are homepage, team page, leaderboard, and some interesting things in the Do You Know page. And if you do some updation or deletion, these records will be displayed in the history web page. And the last 4 page is login, register, update, and delete. Later, my group members will introduce them detailedly. And as for me, I achieved the team web page. In this page, you can see the most interesting things is this button. Please select a team. Once you select the team what you want to know, it will display the many information about this team. In this video, I choose the Houston Rockets, and you can see it will show the location of the Rockets and team area and their rank, and also the players in the team and the scores for different seasons and their managers, coaches, boss, and mascot. And here is my code. I write about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 simple queries for create 6 table, and then the Xiaoqizhuang will introduce the last web page.
Hi, this is Xiaoqizhuang. I'm going to describe some parts of our project, which focus on what I have done. Firstly, I did a leaderboard, as you see. It's not beautiful, but I just want to show how many player attributes we have, and actually they are not all. As a leaderboard, we use order by query and also a drawing query, because we separate the players' information and their statistics to reduce the foundational dependencies. And then I did a Do You Know page, which is very interesting and the biggest difference between us and other NBA data website, I think. In terms of the time limit, I will just describe the cards which use the required query. Firstly, do you know who has improved his points the most? So I use a max query. And then, do you know the average points of NBA players in these 2 seasons? So it's an average query, and it's also a group by query, because it calculates all players in the same season. Then, do you know the player who has engaged in all seasons? It's a division query. At there, division, and with 2 not exists. When we inserted our data, all players just all have 2 seasons engaged in. So I wanted the result become more clear and easier to check. So I insert James Harden will play in the 19 to 20 seasons, and he will get 90 to 99 per game points per game. So there it appears a very strange data, and all these results will change when our database has changed. Thank you.
Let's move on to see some more interesting stuff in our project. This is our register page, And once you have an account, you can get to our login page and log in. Your email and password are required, and if you are trying to log in with some made-up emails or password, it actually won't work. But if you are entering the right stuff, you might be able to unlock some hidden functions. For updating our dataset, you are required to enter the ID of the player, the team name, the player's age and his position. Now, let's take Jimmy Butler as a clear example. We now enter his player ID, which is 11, and the team name. I won't change the team name, otherwise we have to look all the way here to find our updates. So let's change his age to 99 and position to C, and you can tell now our dataset is already updated, and there is also a flask on the top to show that the succeed update. Then when you want to delete any player, you can enter his ID and then he will disappear. What's more, all of our datasets is made on delete cascade, so that once you delete a player in the player table, there won't be any of his status as well. For example, if you are deleting the first player in our leaderboard, which is James Haddon, then he won't be exist on the leaderboard anymore. So let's enter his player ID, which is 1, and you can see now he's disappeared. And we've also added a trigger function which automatically adds our updates and deletions to the history page, which is here, so that we can check all of our updates and deletions that were made to our database. This is all the cool things of our project. If you like it, please click a like or share it to your friends. Hope you all have a good day, and peace out.